The permanent court building of the Sub-Divisional Court, Dadenggre, was inaugurated yesterday. The ceremony was attended by esteemed guests including Justice I.P. Mukherjee, Chief Justice High Court of Meghalaya, and Dr. M. Emperin Lingdaw, Law Minister, Government of Meghalaya. In his speech, Rupa M. Marak, MLA of Dadenggre constituency, emphasized the importance of accessible justice, stating that the new court will bring justice closer to the people, especially the poor and downtrodden. Justice H.S. Thank You highlighted the court's significance as a beacon of hope for justice delivery, not just for Dadenggre but for the entire Garo Hills and the state. Dr. Maisel Emperin Lingdaw reiterated the state's commitment to providing equal justice and free legal aid.
From the side of judiciary, and I believe all of us as citizens, when we open the doors of this, I can say, with all the facilities it has, the state-of-the-art court building, we reaffirm our dedication to upholding rule of law and fostering a society that is based on trust, equity, and righteousness.
Thus, with the establishment of this sub-divisional court at Dadenggre, we hope to ease the burden for the delivery of justice to the people. We want to first strike justice by ensuring that this court becomes fully functional, thereby ensuring that there is a speedy disposal of the judicial procedures.